Can you add someone to your Walmart Plus? Today we are going to talk about if you can add someone to your Walmart Plus. Suppose if you are two guys or two friends and you want to share one Walmart Plus. So how can you do that? So as you guys can see, I'm at the Walmart Plus. So there is no such option that you can share the Walmart. However, there's a thing that you can do in order to get the get both of you the same account at the same time. So in order to do that, you simply have to know the login credentials of this account. Afterwards, you just have to log out of your device. Then you have to sign in to the same account on the same devices at the same time. Now what it will do is it will obviously tell you 2FA, or it will give you some verification code. You have to put the same code on the both of the devices, and there you go. Both of the devices will have same Walmart Plus account, which you guys will be able to use without having any problem. So that's pretty much it. That's how I will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.